What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the yeedi Vac 2 Pro with oscillating mop and a self-emptying station. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the yeedi Vac 2 Pro can do. Here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It does come with a couple of boxes, one with the yeedi Vac 2 Pro and the self-emptying station here sold separately. This is what it comes in the vacuum part. Quick start guide, the mopping station, vacuum itself right here. It also comes with the little charging station if you don't want to use the base station, power cord, and also the little brush attaches to the vacuum, and that's it. Now in the base station, this comes with an instruction manual. Got the base right here. So also the little protector there, a couple of extra bags, power adapter, couple of screws and a screwdriver for assembly, and then the base itself right here. Assembly is pretty easy as well, as you can see there. Little base, it already comes with the bag. The back has the part where you plug in the power cord and you can wrap around the cord there. Bottom has this sensor for the vacuum. Now this comes with two options. This comes with just the, if you want to just vacuum, you can do that. There's the mopping station though, so we're gonna install the mopping to show you guys. This is how you can put on some water in there, right there. And it's pretty easy to install. Just need to pop it in like so. That's it, it's installed. You can bring this up, and this is how you can get rid of all the junk in there. You can clean the filter here as well. Really easy. This is how you can turn it on. Power button up there as well. Little camera for the 3D sensor. The bottom has this part right here you can unclip like so. Now you can clean the brush by just pulling it out like that. Pretty easy. Putting it back is really easy as well. Just have to click it on and you're done. This little brush comes in on this side right here. It just clips right on like so. That's it. The front does have a little sensor here as well. Forward facing camera. So it sends infrared. It makes like a 3D kind of render of your home. It'll move around obstacles. Should look like that. If you want to clean the top, you just have to click that. Change the bag. Now the yeedi Vac 2 Pro has a powerful cleaning, oscillating mopping system, simultaneously scrub off stains from wood, tile, laminate floors, which is really awesome. It's not like just a flat mopping style. This actually moves so that it scrubs the floor down. Awesome feature by the yeedi Vac 2 Pro. It also has a really good cleaning power. An opposite color wet stain on the hard floor cleans the floor really well. It also has a powerful cleaning power
up to 3000 PA strong suction power, which you can change on the app. There's a couple of different style of vacuum mode as well. There's the enhanced suction power and also the mopping mode, which avoids the carpet. It also has a 3D obstacle avoidance, which it sends the obstacle and it dodges it. It detects space between and under furniture. If the space is lower or narrow than yeedi, then yeedi will avoid entering that space in the case of getting stuck. You don't need to pick up before you clean. The 3D obstacle avoidance technology senses and dodges daily objects, shoes, pet bowls, and also kids' toys, whatever is in its way. It'll also detect the cliff so that it would avoid falling. The self-emptying station is sold separately. It is compatible with the yeedi Vac 2 Pro, and it has an auto dust bin emptying. It also has a 2.5-liter dust bag with a ceiling design so that when you pull out the bag from the station, it will not expose all the garbage on there. It's good up to 30 days of dirt, so you don't have to empty it until the end of the month. It also has a customizable cleaning. You can use the very intuitive yeedi app with an editable home map. Lets you customize cleaning by setting the vacuum power, water flow levels, and 4 different messes. Choosing cleaning sequence and also cleaning specific room or area and more. There's also the smart visual mapping and navigation. yeedi identifies your room to build your home layout and plans an efficient cleaning path for the whole floor coverage without missing any spots. I found as well that it does a zigzag form of cleaning, so it does do really well on that form. I definitely would recommend this vacuum for people who wants a self-emptying base and oscillating mop for their home. The vacuum works really well, and the mopping as well is one of a kind. The oscillating does clean up sticky mess, even like juices that get stuck on the floor gets taken off as well. That's really awesome. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.